Swaggy Man fam. Plushie popcorn. Plushie popcorn. Plushie, 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 plushie popcorn. Meh. Apple juice too. Could you see me? Let me know in the comments. Swaggy, plushie. You can't disappear on me. Yeah. Wait, have I turned into a plushie and now falling down from the sky? But I am back now. TV and radio going on at the same time. Oh no. It's alright. YouTube. Want some popcorn? Freddy plushie. Well, you can't have any. Plushie. It's not very good. He just fell down and come through like this right now. But we're okay, because we can fly, 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 fly. We can fly, 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 fly. Oh no. Falling down on the Swaggy Man fam. Falling down on the Swaggy Man fam. Fly, fly, fly. Look what we have here. Do you see me, Dee? Do you see me, Dee? I'm looking at you right now. I don't care, because I have popcorn. 3 minutes and 3 seconds. That is quite enough. Peace out, homies. Okay, now 3 minutes and 17 seconds.